In this video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts from SIM to Gmail in a simple step-by-step way. This is super useful if you're switching phones, backing up your contacts, or just want to keep all your numbers safely synced to your Google account. Once your contacts are in Gmail, you can access them from any device, and that makes managing your phone book much easier. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, you need to export your contacts from your phone or SIM card. Open the Contacts app on your phone. The exact menu can vary slightly depending on your device, but in most cases, you'll want to tap Settings, then look for Import or Export. From there, choose the option to export your contacts. Your phone will usually save them as a .vcf file, which is the file format Google Contacts can import. If your contacts are saved on the SIM card, make sure you choose the option that exports those SIM contacts into the .vcf file. Some phones may ask whether you want to export all contacts or only selected ones. If you're backing up everything, choose all contacts so nothing gets left behind. Once the file is created, your phone will store it in internal storage or in the Downloads folder. If needed, transfer the contacts file to your PC. You can do this with a USB cable, email, cloud storage, or even by sending the file to yourself through messaging apps. The goal here is just to make sure the .vcf file is easy to find when you're ready to upload it to Google Contacts. If your file is already on your computer, you can skip this step. Now open Google Contacts by going to contacts.google.com in your browser. Make sure you sign in with the Gmail account where you want these contacts to appear. This is important because once the import is complete, the contacts will be added to that Google account and can sync across your devices. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and click Import. A window will appear asking you to select a file. Now choose the .vcf contacts file that you exported from your phone or SIM. Once you've selected it, click Import to start the upload process. Google Contacts will now read the file and add the contacts to your account. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may take a few seconds. When it's done, your imported contacts should start showing up in your Google Contacts list. To verify everything worked properly, refresh contacts.google.com and check that your names, numbers, and other contact details are there. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment and refresh again. In most cases, the contacts will appear immediately after the import finishes. And that's it. You've successfully imported contacts from SIM to Gmail. Now your contacts are backed up in Google and much easier to access, manage, and sync across devices. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs the same fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.